Hello and hi everyone. You are watching Rafi the Grammarian, and today we are going to see articles. And we have two kinds of articles. One is definite article, the. Second one is indefinite article. Ye and an. So definite in the sense particular, indefinite is not particular. It is considered as singular and it is for both singular and plural. Both singular and plural, definite article, and indefinite article, only for singular. And this is not particular, but this is particular. Definite is for particular and indefinite is not particular. So we can see where we are using definite article. We can use definite article in front of the mountains, the rivers, the oceans, the instruments, the holy books, and for repetition. So these are the ideas we can express in definite article. Examples: the Himalayas, the Yamuna, the Indian Ocean, the flute, it is an instrument, in front of holy books, the Quran, the Bible, the Ramayana, and for repetition words. So just for an example, if I'm start writing a concept, I use a singular. So a cat is a pet animal. So here I have started a cat. So any cat, right? So I have mentioned here as a cat is a pet animal. So very first I start a sentence with a cat is a pet animal, but again I am going to talk about the same cat, right? The cat. So I have to add the cat is lovable one to all. So when the noun is repeating, we have to substitute definite article the. A cat is a pet animal, the cat is lovable one to all. So like this we can substitute the for repetition. So here cat is repeating one or more times. So initially I have added a, and then I have added the for repetition, right? I shall rub this. So now we are going to see indefinite article. Indefinite article. Already I have said this is not particular and this is for singular. A for consonant sounds and for vowel sounds. So we can use a in front of consonant sounds and in front of vowel sounds. Let's see the examples. So here we have 5 letters A, E, I, O, U. This is vowel letters. Vowel letters. But in a sentence we don't need of vowel letters. We need of vowel sounds. So keep it in your mind. Not vowel letters. Only we need of vowel sounds. An apple, right? Here we have vowel letter A, but it producing vowel sound, so I have added an in front of it, right? An apple. an orange, an orange. So here we have a vowel letter O, but it is producing vowel sound, so I have substituted an. An elephant. So here we have vowel letter E, but it is producing vowel sound. That is why we are using an in front of it, not because of vowel letters, but we are mentioning an in front of letter E only for its vowel sounds. An ice cream, an ice cream. An umbrella, an umbrella. Here we have a vowel letter U, but it is producing vowel sounds, not because of vowel letter we are using an. Because of vowel sounds we are using an in front of it. So please keep it in your mind, not because of vowel letters, but only because of vowel sounds. And now A. Examples for A, using A. A book. This is a consonant letter, so obviously it is producing consonant sounds. So I have given A book. So when we talk about the plural one, we can say the books. Otherwise, when I am going to mention particular book, I can add the in front of it. The book, the books, for plural and for particular. But here it is indefinite. It is singular, it is indefinite. It is not definite, it is indefinite, and it is a singular too. So I have added a in front of it. A book. A watch. A horse. So here I have given blank 1 rupee coin. So what I have to substitute here, A or an? We have letter O here, right? We have letter O. What shall I do here? I have to substitute an for 1 rupee, or a for 1 rupee. A 1 rupee or an 1 rupee. So you have to check the pronunciation. Already I have said, not because of vowel letters we are using an in front of it. So what is very important? The important is vowel sounds. So here we haven't found any vowel sounds. Rather than we find consonant sounds here. One, that is one. So I have to substitute a 1 rupee coin. A 1 rupee coin. So without knowing a proper pronunciation, this is actually very tough, right? So try to know correct pronunciation. Here we have O, the same vowel letter, but it is producing vowel sounds. But here it is not producing vowel sounds, rather consonant sounds. A 1 rupee coin. A 1 rupee coin. Next, so here we have blank hotel, blank historical novel, blank HMT watch, blank honest man. So what I have to do here, so when we talk about this one, it can be pronounced as in two ways. One is hotel, ha sound, hotel, and one is hotel, o sound. I prefer second one, so I can substitute an hotel. When I am trying to say it hotel, say it as hotel, I can substitute an in front of it. Otherwise, a hotel. So both are correct, but the pronunciations are different. Here I have substituted only it producing hotel, the sound of o sound. Here I have getting hotel, ha sound. So o sound here, ha sound here. So that is why I have mentioned an here and a here. So I prefer this one, an hotel, and hotel, and the same for this one. Even though this is a consonant letter, but it is producing vowel sounds, and we can use both an and a in front of hotel or hotel. An historical novel, historical, e. Otherwise we can say a historical novel. Right, here e sound, here he sound. An historical novel, a historical novel. I prefer first one. This is quite good actually. And we talk about a brand. This is actually a name of a brand, HMT watch, HMT watch. So what I have to do here, a or an? Obviously an, because this is actually individual letters. I am reading out as individual letters, H, M, T. So here I have get a sound, H. So I have substituted here an HMT watch. I am getting vowel sound, so I am giving an in front of it, even though this is a consonant letter, but it is producing vowel sounds, so I have substituted an in front of it. What is this? Honest man, not honest man. O sound, so I have to add an here. An honest man. So here I have substituted a in front of horse. This is a consonant letter and this too a consonant letter. So both H is consonant, but the sound is different. Here I have I'm getting ha sound, totally ha sound, horse, right? But here I'm getting o sound, o. So I am substituting an here. I have given a for horse, a horse, an honest man. same. Even though this is a consonant letter, we are getting R sound, so we have to add an in front of it, an R. A helmet. So I hope you understand all these things. I'll meet you in the next topic. Thank you so much.